Hi everyone, welcome to Food in a Flash. My name is Coach Mariah. Today's topic is cantaloupe. So cantaloupes are a yellow-orange colored fruit, the flesh that is. They're sweet in flavor. Summer is the prime season, but they're available year-round in grocery stores. You should eat cantaloupe because one serving is about 27 calories, and that's 1/2 cup. So they are low in calories, fat-free, cholesterol-free, and very low in sodium. They are great for boosting the immune system. They improve eyesight, and they have anti-inflammatory properties. So cantaloupes have an abundance of vitamin C, which helps to strengthen the immune system and fight off germs. They are packed with vitamin A, which helps to improve and strengthen eyesight and decrease the risk of eye conditions such as cataracts and macular degeneration. Cantaloupes are a great source of vitamin B6, which offers an anti-inflammatory property that helps with preventing and relieving arthritis symptoms, and it can assist in regulating the body's metabolism. So cantaloupes, they contain antioxidants, which aid in protecting the body's cells from damage, which is caused by free radicals such as cancer. They also reduce muscle inflammation, soreness, and fatigue. So when you are selecting cantaloupes at the store, you want to look for one that is fragrant. So you'll want to pick it up, smell it. You'll want to try to pick one that's symmetrical. So all the way around looks the same, heavy, but no bruises. And then we want the color to be about yellow or cream. So ripe cantaloupes will give a little bit if you push on it on the outside. Another trick you can do is you can knock on the outside of the melon, and if it's hollow, you'll know it's ripe. When you are cutting cantaloupe, you'll want to start by washing the outside and then go ahead and cut both ends off, turn it upright, and then what you'll do is take a knife and cut like a C all the way around and get the edge off. And then you'll go ahead and you can slice it, dice it, however you want to cube it. You can do wedges, whatever you like as far as shape. And then when you are storing cantaloupe, you can store uncut cantaloupe at room temperature for up to a week. Otherwise, you can refrigerate cut melon in an airtight container, and those will last up to 5 days. So cantaloupe are very versatile. You can eat them raw. You could eat them with cottage cheese. You could add them to a salad. You could add it to a kebab. You could make melon salsa. You could freeze it and make melon cubes and add it to drinks. Otherwise, you could also add it to smoothies. So there's a lot of ways to incorporate cantaloupe in your everyday nutrition. And then the recipe that I picked that you'll see is in the chat. It's a melon and pineapple fruit salad with honey, lime, and mint dressing. So check that out. A really refreshing salad, something that will be great in the summer or in the winter. But that's all I've got for today. So thanks so much for watching.